Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can go trick-or-treating in Dress to Impress. So the trick-or-treat event is still on in DTI. So if you want to get spooky items and valuable currency and candies on trick or treat, this is how you can do it. So here I've already on the free play server. You can just go here outside of the free play runway. You can just go in here and go to the houses. So just turn right in here and let's go to the first house. So there are 3 houses that you can do trick or treat. You can just go to the first door and interact. You can just wait. So you'll get either this monster or a treat. So if you done success on the first try, you can see you need to wait for 15 minutes. And let's go to the next house. Sorry, not this one. Okay, this one up here. You can just do the same. So just click on E if you're on computer, on your keyboard, and see. Okay, still doesn't work. And let's try the last house. So you can just wait until the alternate 15 minutes to try again and see the result. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you can do trick or treat in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.